Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping the gas flow. Turn the main valve fully clockwise to close it, because even a small leak is dangerous. Next, position the stove where it will sit and clear the surrounding area for working space. Grab a 3/8 approved flex connector, a proper gas-rated thread sealant, and an adjustable wrench. You need tools that fit to avoid rounding fittings. Once done, inspect the stove inlet and supply stub for debris. Cleaning saves time and prevents cross-threading when you start threading the connector. You now connect the supply. Hand thread the flex line onto the supply stub first, because starting by hand prevents cross-threading, and then finish with a wrench. Tighten about 1/4 to 1/2 turn past hand tight. Make sure the line runs straight without sharp bends. Stress on fittings invites leaks. Then connect the other end to the stove inlet, again hand starting and wrench finishing. After both ends are secure, leave the fittings accessible. You will test and adjust them in the next step to ensure safety and correct alignment. You finish by opening the gas valve slowly while watching fittings. This controlled approach lets you detect pressure changes and immediate leaks. Next, apply a soap and water solution to every connection. Bubbles mean a leak, so shut the valve, tighten the joint, and retest until no bubbles appear. Once clear, follow the stove manufacturer's lighting procedure. Observe flame color. Mostly blue indicates proper combustion. If a leak persists or the flame is large, yellow, or smoky, turn off the gas and contact a light.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.